lip gloss and this fan are not happening. They're not being friends. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here and have never seen this mug before, hi, I'm Lacey. And today we are opening a package. So today I have as you've seen by the title, a Jeffree Star Deluxe mystery box. Yeah, the Halloween ones. I don't care if this shows my address because I leave it listed down below anyway. My P.O. box is listed if you guys ever want to know. Anyways, I got the deluxe one because I have never been able to get my hands on these, and I have seen a couple reviews of these of people that have already gotten theirs, and I've seen that there have been like a couple different variations, so I have a general idea of what I'm about to get. So if I do get a second Royal Blood palette, because I do already own that, I will put it in the giveaway for you guys. Yeah, I haven't opened this when I'm doing this intro. Usually I do my intros last, but it's a surprise. Anyways, if you guys like this makeup look, go check out my TikTok. I will leave everything right here and also down below, and follow me on TikTok, you guys. I have been posting there frequently because it's easier than doing YouTube. Anyways, let's just jump into this box because it's been killing me since I received it not to open it, but I promised myself I would not open it until I was in front of the camera and ready to go. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys like mystery box unboxings, give this video a big thumbs up. I have done a couple here on my channel before. I will leave that iCard or the playlist linked here and also down below. Let me shut up. And without further ado, let's open this bad boy. Okay, like I said, we got the Deluxe one. So I decided I'm not even gonna fool with the mini. I'm not gonna fool with the premium or whatever. I think that's what it is. The mini, premium, and deluxe. Anyways, I didn't want to mess with the deluxe or the premium or the mini because, well, I didn't have that kind of money to spend, and also I feel like the best stuff comes in this one, so why not just get it? So excuse me, that's really close to my face. I don't trust myself. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I need you to open up. That sounded sexual. Oh shit. Wow, we got some paper. So, oh, that just tried to freaking fight me. Yeah, so first things first, we got a shirt. I got a large. I thought I got an extra large, and I did that on purpose because I thought I got an extra large. I swore I got an extra large. I'm probably gonna keep it just because I like t-shirts. And I especially love like random graphic tees. Like, I go to the thrift store and get shirts from places I've never been. So anyways, this is the front of it. Okay, I'm not mad about the large. This is the front of it. I love the design. And then the back is just the same design, just bigger. And my boyfriend does not like Jeffree Star, but he would probably steal this from me if it wasn't Jeffree Star's logo. Bloodlust. I do already own this, so I am gonna go ahead and throw this in a giveaway for you guys. I'll tell you this much. This is my favorite palette by Jeffree Star. It used to be Alien, but this formula is bomb, and Alien has some weird colors, and it's just the story. I can't work with it very well. Ooh, I got watermelon gum, the velour lip scrub, which I am happy about because watermelon is my favorite flavor. And then we got a extremely matte finish, cruelty free. What is this? Oh, it's a lip liner in the shade Calabasas. This is so bougie. This is what it looks like. I'll swatch it on the back of my hand. Oh, that's creamy. That's the shade. And then we got the gloss in Legends Only. Okay, I'm excited about this because it is a nude. And I've thought about purchasing the gloss a few times. I really just want the clear one or the nude one, bro. I don't got time to deal with that. So let's swatch this because I'm gonna keep her for sure. You can't even see it on the back of my hand. Like, is that even that glossy? Yeah. Okay, we got 2 little boxes. So I did get the one I did not want. This is Thirst Trap. This is the liquid lipstick. I might keep it because it is such a weird color. I want to swatch it, but at the same time I really don't. I don't know. I'll see if I can find some images of people wearing this and decide if I'm going to keep it or not. And then we've got a lip balm. This is in Widow. It's black, and I'm always down for a good lip balm. So let's swatch it. It's got slight tint to it, as you can see. That's cute. Oh, whoa. She's big. This is huge. I forgot. A lot of people were opening these in their boxes too. So I got an Extreme Frost, and the only highlighters I've ever tried from Jeffree Star was, I don't know if you can see it right here, but the Platinum Ice palette. And it's okay. The Ice Cold shade was the only one that I liked, but this is in the shade Lick My Glit. That's such bougie packaging. Like, I just feel like I just opened something from Louis Vuitton or something. I don't know. I know that he really likes designer stuff, so maybe that's what he was going for. Oh, this is gorgeous. You're gorgeous, darling. Wow. So it's white with like a pink reflect. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see this. Oh yeah, it looks like it's showing up. That's beautiful. Oh wow, that's like, wow. This would go great with this look. You know what? Let me put some of her on. Okay. I mean, compared to this side, this is like shine. Like, it looks like, oh, nice natural, not natural, but it's more like a shine on your face. And this is like, oh, she's wearing highlighter. I mean, I'm not mad about it, but these are glittery highlighters are not my favorite formula. I mean, but damn, look at that. Where are you going, honey? I'm gonna put a tiny bit on the end of my nose. Oh my god. I don't know if that's a place for that. So altogether, after shipping and stuff, it was $122 for this box. How much is this? 54 or something like that? That's expensive. So this and the palette alone, I guess, is worth majority of the box. For his products, this is, I guess, a good deal. Don't get me wrong, I typically don't buy Jeffree Star unless it's on sale or like I really want it. Like his last few palettes I haven't purchased, but that's only because I feel like his palettes are hit and miss. That's just in my opinion. And Orgy and Cremated just aren't my color stories. I will say I'm not mad about the stuff I got in here. I've seen a bunch of other Jeffree Star unboxings, mystery box unboxings before, and I personally wouldn't have been very gung-ho about the stuff that people have received, but like I've got some more toned down shades of stuff and I'm very happy about that because I will definitely use this. I will use the lip liner. I'm super excited to try this because I've heard great things about these. Anyway, like I said though in the beginning, I will be giving this away to one of you. If you guys want to enter the giveaway to try to win this Bloodlust palette, please go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to my channel, of course, first and foremost. Secondly, give this video a big thumbs up. Third, go ahead and comment down below what your favorite Jeffree Star product of all time is, and for a bonus entry, go ahead and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. All the rules and all of my socials will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you go ahead and check that out. Anyways, that is it for this video. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!